don't mind the mess, but we started working on Time Attack Civic. Will is doing the dry ice stuff right now. Taking away, get all the sound deadening off, because you're gonna put a roll bar in this thing. Okay. I do it.
Look at that.
Look at that. Looks great. Scoops right out. So there you go. An extra couple. Ooh, that's cold. Damn. Let's go.
It's almost like it had dry ice on it or something.
Almost like dry ice. So yeah, this is the sound insulation. So what you do is you leave the dry ice on it and just let it chill until it becomes super brittle and it breaks right out. Yeah. Is that nice?
That helps so much.
Alright, so stay tuned. We're going to be building this one up. Scrape it right off.
I had it still and it was making that noise constantly.
That's weird. Okay, so we got the sound deadening out. For the most part, that's the goopy shit. We'll have to hit that again. So we just got it tomorrow. We'll just come in, vacuum all this stuff out, and then just see what's left and just clean it up a little bit more. But that worked really well. And what's up, YouTubers? It's Luke here, 13 Motorsports, back in action. That's a marker on my lip. Just doing a little update on the Civic, our Time Attack car. So, I've got all the sound insulation materials out. Thank you, dry ice. Thank you, science. And now we've got the whole car pretty much stripped down. We did break one of the brake lines, haha, and we've got all the surfaces prepped because we're gonna do this 13 style with some nice gangster looking rocker boxes and stuff. So this is one I'll mark up. So we're gonna create a nice surface here to distribute the load onto the chassis, tie in a bunch of these spot welded panels, as well as give us a nice flat surface to mount our backstays onto. And then we got the main hoop boxes, which you'll find there, and there's going to be another one here. So what we do is we're going to bend the hoop. Let me go wide angle. We're going to bend the hoop up there, over and around, and come down, and then we're going to place the backstays from the top here onto those platforms that we built. So it is a very labor intensive process, even just doing the prep, you know, cleaning the sealer off of here, and then if you can imagine, it's a lot of work to get this old crap out of here. You can see all the dust. This is all from the seam sealer and sandblasting and stuff we've done before. But it's necessary. He definitely wants clean surface, so we go to the extent of cleaning the entire underbody so we don't get any porosity or contamination in our welds. And yeah, that's kind of where we're at for now. Doesn't look like too much, but it takes quite a bit of time. Make these boxes out of 1/8, 125 thou steel, just cold. I mean, just cold rolled steel. Very, very solid. It does add, a good bit of weight, but I mean, in my mind at least, instead of putting a flat piece right here, sticking it on, we can tie in all these panels here. 1, 2, 3. We can tie all these panels in with one unit, and that way, if there, God forbid, ever is an impact, the load should be distributed across this wide area instead of, you know, centralized on just one reinforcement plate that's there. At least that's how it works in my mind. A lot of people out here are a lot smarter than me, so if you want to shed some light on that, please do. Stay tuned, we will keep you in the loop. Got the windows out in preparation, and that's how it's looking so far. This roll bar is in, well, sort of, it's bungeed in. Bent the whole thing with our JD squared bender. Take a shot from the back. Alright, nice and square with the edges and everything. And we'll just have to trim the legs so we can fit our rocker boxes back in. And we'll get that all buttoned up. Nice. Go, action! What's up, guys? It's Luke from xiiimotorsports doing some welding on Will's time attack car, roll bar. As you can see, we got the backstage tacked in. We're gonna weld up some of the areas that we can't get to once we put the other bars in, and yeah, just go from there. You know what? You should put a piece of aluminum up there. Okay, so I'm going to be TIG welding the roll bar. I like to TIG weld it because you can get a lot better penetration, cleaner welds, more consistent, and you have less material actually depositing, so a little bit lighter. It's pretty awkward to do. As you can see, I got both hands and a foot pedal to modulate, and it's also, the metal's got to be super clean, so all the tubing's been polished very nicely. Alright, so we're going to lay a bead down right here. Just put one more tack on the side here. The fitment on this thing. Good?